Ceci da TrafficWave Generator Review. Welcome to the TrafficWave Generator Review. If you're looking for a way to drive free, targeted traffic to your sites, stores, and offers with ease, then stick around. This software claims to be a one-click solution to automate traffic generation, and today we'll explore how it works, its features, and whether it's worth your investment. Traffic is the lifeblood of any online business. Whether you're running an e-commerce store, managing a blog, or promoting affiliate offers, more traffic means more potential sales. But generating consistent traffic can be challenging, especially when juggling multiple platforms and algorithms. That's where TrafficWave Generator steps in. At its core, this software is a cloud-based tool designed to turn any keyword or URL into targeted, ready-to-use content. With just one click, it promises to generate traffic and leads in any niche, all while eliminating the complexity of manual content creation and campaign management. Let's break down some of its standout features. First, the one-click content creator is a game changer. Simply input a keyword or URL and the software generates articles, blog posts, and social media updates tailored to your target audience. You can create up to 100 days worth of content at once, giving you a head start on consistent posting. Second, there's the integration of AI tools, like ChatGPT, which allows you to craft engaging content without requiring any technical expertise. The software even comes with 20 done-for-you templates, so you can quickly launch campaigns in minutes. Another feature worth noting is the automated traffic generation. The platform continuously drives free, targeted traffic 24/7. You don't have to worry about manually updating campaigns or analyzing performance metrics. It's truly a set-and-forget system. For beginners, TrafficWave Generator includes step-by-step training to walk you through setup, content creation, and campaign strategies. Whether you're an entrepreneur, affiliate marketer, or content creator, this tool has something for everyone. So, is TrafficWave Generator worth it? For anyone seeking an affordable, automated solution to boost traffic and save time, it's a solid investment. With its user-friendly design and powerful features, it can help transform your online presence and drive real results. If you're ready to take your traffic generation to the next level, consider giving TrafficWave Generator a try. With its 30-day money-back guarantee, you've got nothing to lose and everything to gain. Thank you for watching, and let us know in the comments if you've tried this software or have any questions. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews and insights on tools to grow your online business.